Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope you are well. On behalf of Master BD, best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, today I have brought for a new video which will be amazed to see. This video most amazing layout PowerPoint shortcut keyboards tips and tricks 2020. Then I will explain this video. Today's beautiful how to do it beautifully. Before starting the video, I would like to say that those who are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and next to it another fan circle to share this video. So let's start the video without delay. Stay with me. First of all, your PowerPoint shortcut key, then most amazing thing. All you I enjoy this video in this PowerPoint layout. Okay. First of all things, the Alt plus S plus F plus S. Change the font size for select the text. Okay, now in this session your most amazing layout PowerPoint shortcut keyboards that change the font size the already in this way, but also Alt plus S plus F plus S in this case in showing the amazing shortcut. The press the, and as an example, Alt S plus F plus S, automatically your font size your 15 in marking. In this case, in this session, the most amazing layout PowerPoint, in this case the font size select the automatic select the item or key. Okay, then second option, insert a picture. In this case, in the insert a picture item show in this page or PowerPoint plus Microsoft Word. Then the PowerPoint option, Alt plus and P, Alt plus and P, automatically in this case is show and picture, or already all picture added. This picture, your any kinds of picture, this is any kinds of picture, then any kinds of picture in this showing as a automatically your in this case automatically in this page and in this showing the page and picture. Okay, then third option, insert a shape. Insert a shape, Alt plus S plus S plus S. Okay, this is the example of the PowerPoint. As an example, Alt plus S plus S, Alt plus S plus S, automatically they show the recently use the shape. You recently use the shape, any kinds of shape, use the item or use the in this PowerPoint case. Okay, this is the Alt plus S plus S plus S. Okay, then fourth option, select the theme of Alt plus GS. Okay, automatically and theme also is showing this page. This is the example of PowerPoint presentation Alt plus GS. This is the themes of the any kinds of things, automatically you change the Alt plus GS, automatically you change an option. Okay, this is the case of an Alt plus GS. Okay friends, then last one thing, select the slide a layout Alt plus SL. Last one things, select a slide layout of Alt plus SL. This is the and in case of the Microsoft PowerPoint, and Alt plus S plus L. This is the case of the layout. Your case is new layout and black layout and to content, then compression, title only, section, header, title, content, title, slide. Okay, any kinds of header you're showing the page and in this case and show. Okay, this is the in case of slide and layout. This is in this video in case of the layout side. No more today, this video is ending. So friends, so far I have not told you before that subscribe my channel. I will be aiming more with more new videos inshallah. All is well. Stay healthy. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.